favorite song. Did I turn from a mess? I whisper underneath my breath, but you heard. Now that you look perfect tonight. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the ground, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, I don't deserve it, baby. You look perfect tonight. Let's hear those claves, nice and sweet. Yeah, we're singing a love song. I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. We'll share our dreams, I hope someday we'll share our home. Giving love is more than just a secret. Sharing just to share children of our own. Here in the Dillon we're so in love, fighting against it's all out. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. I don't let me go. Nothing this time, baby. I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the ground, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, the girl in the dress, I see you perfect, don't deserve it. You look perfect tonight. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the ground, listening to our favorite song. They say you were romance, I whisper underneath my breath. Perfect, you look perfect. I don't deserve it. You look perfect tonight.
Ooh, that's such a pretty song, David.
That's a great one. Which one?
Open arms?
Open arms? Your mom nailed it.
Go ahead, listen to a lot of music.
You're just feeling some more love song, huh? That's good. Lying beside you, here in the dark, Feeling your heartbeat with mine. Softly whisper, you're so sincere. How could I leave you behind? We came together, drifted apart. By my side. So now I come to you with open arms. Oh, hold on. I'm sorry, Dillon. Believe when I say that here I am with open arms, hoping you'll see what your love is for me. Open arms. We came together, we drifted apart. Here you are by my side. So now I come with open arms, hoping to find. Believe what I say. And here I am with open arms, hoping to see what your love means to me. Open arms. Open arms.
I see.
I don't know. You got love songs. We're gonna try this one. This is an oldie but a goodie. It came from the 80s, just like a lot of the songs you have.
All the good music came from the 80s.
Okay. The guy who's saying it, he's a one-hit wonder, but here we go. Lovely as you did tonight. Never seen you shine so bright. You're amazing. Never seen so many men ask you if you wanted to dance. For a little romance, if I had the chance. I have never seen that dress you're wearing, or the highlights in your hair. I have been blind, lady in red. tonight. If I had to I had sanctuary for the highlights in your hair to catch your eye. I haven't found maybe red is dancing with me, cheek to cheek. Nobody here. It's just you and me. That's why I wanna be. I need this beauty at my side. We look tonight. I hardly know this beauty at my side. I'll never forget the way you look tonight. Yeah, just there. Lady in red, yes. Nobody here, it's just you and me. This beauty at my side. Never will forget the way you look tonight. There you go. I think it's time for our last song, Dillon.
All good things have to come to an end sometimes.
I know. Keep being George, man.
Yeah.
Sure is a lot easier around here when you've got George.
All right.
It's really time consuming. You can't get anything done. But at least he's not chaotic and pulling hair and screaming and yelling.
Grandma can be out here with you because you're just so nice.
Oh, that's nice. All right. Do you want what instrument? You want to play the keyboard for the last one? What? Oh, the maraca. This? The keyboard. I said the keyboard, and then you didn't say. You said no. All right. Do you want to do it together? Let's do it. We did all those love songs, huh, Dillon? Love is in the air.
Yeah, babe.
Let's go with. take this off? Okay. Yay! Now let's take off the foot tambourine too. What? Well, that's not my call.
Yes.
Well, they said yes.
You've been such a good boy. Yep, I will take you out. Okay. Oh, here she is.
She wants 195 for that one.
She wants 195 now? Gotcha.
Yeah, she said it, something,
No, that's,
okay.
it's because people are putting in offers. She accepted ours and then.
No, she thought it was a different one.
Oh. It's still a good deal, but
Yeah.
All right, Dillon. You with your flame guitar shirt on.
I mean, Kelly really wants one of those. I don't know, tell him.
Yeah, you can take that.
We could jump in the truck and go take a look at
I
it.
There you go.
Okay, do you want me? You want me to record? Okay. Let's go. Grandma, okay, well, we'll have to help Grandma get up and down the stairs.
I can do it.
Are you sure?
I don't know.
Are your kids off for spring break this week, Matthew?
Yep. This is their last day of spring break.
Oh, today's the last day of spring break.
It is.
Did you guys do anything fun?
No.
No. Okay, look down, Dillon. Can you hold him, Matthew? I'm sorry.
I got it.
Go.
You got it.
Yeah, Ronnie and Ricky used to hate spring break because it was, they're fine, Mom. It was spring cleaning.
Yeah.
They were out of school for a week.
We're way over here. You never know where I'm going to be.
Look at you running to Matthew's car.
I'll try and keep you guessing.
Look down, Dillon. Look down, Dillon. Look down.
I know. I know.
You've already lost, half your mouth that way. Okay. You're fine there, Mom. You're good, Mom.
Okay.
Go ahead and put it in.
Good job. It just has to be just perfect. Huh? Okay, come step up here. Yeah. Look like it's gonna rain a little bit, Dill. Okay, we'll see you next week.
All right.
Thank you. Come on, Dill. Let's go. No, let's go. Let's go stand with Grandma. Go hold Grandma's hand. I'll get Matthew going. Go stand with Grandma. Good morning.
Morning.
Dylan, go.